Hello, it's me, Tsooo again. This time, let me show you something different and something scary. So, let's explore the thrill of wildlife rescued with crocodiles and gharial. Keep watching. Look, this is the ticket counter. And look, I have the Spider-Man with me to explore. But my Spider-Man got scared and he just ran away. It's okay, I'm not scared. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Look. It's a garrapon. Oh, they have got many carolers. That's very much in number. And yeah, they're quite scary to see them close. Oh no. One is moving back to the pond. Oh. And look, that's crocodile basking in the sun. But I can't go further to look at it. It's very creepy. So just went around to see the cute bears. There's two bears, a mommy bear and a baby bear. And look at the thing. Oh, they're so cute. We feed them some fruits and they look so happy. But my mama was so scared to see the bear so close. So again, we moved to see another animal. This is the way to the cafeteria. It's looking so beautiful, but sadly, it's under construction. That's a beautiful gazebo to take a rest and enjoy the scenes around. And we directly went to see the wild bee and the monkey. The wild bee looks quite aggressive, but the monkey was friendly. We offered the monkey some fruits. The monkey happily ate our banana and our oranges like a human. Like this. That was all about the visit. It was in the autumn and everything around was so beautiful to witness. While returning, I even saw that beautiful deer. So that's it. The evening sun was sitting behind the mountains, and we finally waved bye-bye to the crocodile and the greyhounds. But here we are again to see the animals, and this time it's peak summer and it's very hot and everything around looks super green. Just went to look at that scary gravel pond again and that crocodile. The pond looks very green, very thick and scary. And the two cute bear family and the baby bear. This time looks little grown up. The area looks much better and safe with fencing and all. Again, went to see the cafeteria, but it is still not ready to open. So just visited the gazebo and sat there to take some rest and enjoy the view. It's so peaceful, but could not stay longer this time because it's very hot. Could not tolerate the heat, so we just rushed back to our car. Oh, goodbye crocodiles, bye railroads and bears, and bye everyone for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye everyone. Show some love to me everyone. I love